let us start our class with a good thought. Mistakes are proof that you are trying. Mistakes are the proof that you are trying. It means that anyone, like human beings, we tend to make mistakes, right? Nothing wrong to make mistakes. Yes, from mistakes we are learning. We are exploring ourselves. So nothing wrong doing mistakes. So if we do mistakes also, we should not stop trying new things. Yes, we have to try new things. We have to explore our self. We have to explore our talents. If we do mistakes also, there is no problem. It is a proof that we are trying something, that we are exploring ourselves, that we are making effort to achieve something. Yes, right? Okay. Today's chapter 2, roles of computer. Chapter 2, roles of computer. In this chapter, we will be learning about different uses of computer in our daily life and roles of computer in learning and teaching fields. Okay, in today's chapter we will be learning different uses of computer in our daily life, where and all we are using the computer in our daily life, and roles of computer that enhance in learning and teaching field. Okay, here you can see that two friends are standing and speaking. One of the friend is so sad and another friend is asking, hey, it's vacation time, but why are you looking so sad? And friend is replying, I wanted to meet my cousin but cannot go because of my papa is not well. Her father is not well, it seems, so she could not meet her cousin. So her friend is asking, come with me, don't worry. Okay, you can chat with him on computer. Yes, she showed him without meeting how can we chat in computer. Her friend feels so happy and she is asking, wow, please let me know how to do this. Yes, we can do like this. We can do many things in computer in our daily life. Computer is very much useful and it is a playing important role in our computer. Wherever you go, in which place you go, at least 1 or 2 computers you will be seeing in that places. Yes, right? Yes, in today's class, let us see that different uses of computer in different places in our daily life, where and all we are using. Okay, before that, let us learn why we are using computer. What are the different uses of computer? We used to type letters. We can type any letters on computer. We can type letter, we can type poems, we can type notes. All those things we can type on a computer. Okay, then we can, if I want to send any letter for my friend, yes, I can type on a computer and send it to her. It will be very nice, no? I can draw pictures also, so that she feels happy, very happy. When we give some importance or when we put some effort and we make a good letter and give to our friends or our teachers, they will feel very happy, right? Like that we can do many things in computer. And another one, we can solve sums. Solving sums is when we think and do the sum. It takes little time we need to think when we are doing the sum, and we have to cross check whether the answer is right, whether the answer is wrong. But when you give the sum for a computer, it just give an answer within fraction of seconds. If I give, okay, 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. It gives the answer in fraction of second. It is equal to 7. It knows that 7 is a correct answer. Without making any mistake, computer can tell you that 7 is the right answer. Okay, next we can draw pictures. Yes, we can draw the pictures also on the computer using different shapes and colors, pencil, erase, and we can also erase, no problem with that. Yes, we tend to make mistake. As I told in the beginning, we make mistakes. Okay, we can erase that. And if I do, okay, we can color also, color beautifully. In the image you can see that a girl is drawing a honeybee picture. She has colored it with a pink face and a red color body and yellow color feathers, right? Like that we can also draw many things on a computer and color it beautifully. If I don't want pink color, I can color it with yellow color, no problem with that. We can change the color also whenever we need, depending on our use. Okay, like that also computer is helpful for us. Next we can watch cartoons or movies. We can watch anything on the computer. We can watch videos, can see the pictures, all those things we are using computers. Okay, you can watch your favorite cartoon like Tom and Jerry, Pogo, Doraemon, anything, Hattori, all these things we can watch on a computer also. We can watch so many movies on the computer. Then computer is very helpful in listening music also. We can listen music through computer using the headphone or the speaker. In the image you have seen, right? There is a speaker, there is a speaker and there is a headphone. The boy is having a headphone on for his ears, so he can listen for the song. When you use the headphone without disturbing others, we can hear the song. If I want everyone to hear the song, I can use the speakers, no problem with that. Then playing games. Yes, we can play games on computer also. How you are playing games on mobile, we can also play the games on a computer and we can enjoy the game. Okay, with the help of joysticks we can play the game. In the image you can see that a boy is playing game using joystick. Yes, car race he is playing. Next, we can sort our work. We can give any work to the computer. We can save the files, or we can store the pictures, or if I don't want any files we can delete, or we can sort out all our works. Whatever we need we can do it on a computer. And yes, we know about internet very much. Yes, we know about internet. We search for informations in Google, Chrome, or many websites we are having for searching for the information. Yes, we can also search the information on the internet from the computer. Yes, we can also get the information from the internet. Yes, we can send or receive the messages. Yes, we can send or receive the messages for if I am staying here and you are staying at your home. Yes, I am sending the message through WhatsApp to you, right? You are getting that message. Yes, we can also do it from the computer also. Yes, we can chat with our friends. Yes, I can't meet my friend, so I can chat. Hello, how are you? She is also replying at the same time, right? Yes, and at this situation we cannot go and meet our friends. All these things happens. So one of the main advantage, we can chat with our friends or talk with our friends or call with our friends. We can do video calls also nowadays. Yes, these are the main uses of computer in our daily life. Like we are using, these are the different uses of computer. Yes, let us see the different uses of computer at different places. How we are using the computer in our daily life at different places. Okay, first one, in schools. Why we are using in school? Yes, to store the student details for the office we need. Or if you want to learn anything, yes, we are doing many things in the computer. So we want to be updated. Yes, students also, now you are having the subject as computer. So you want to learn. Yes, you are learning, at the beginning you will be learning how to type, how to draw the pictures, all these things. Since we don't have school open, you are learning from the online. Just remember what and all you are learning. That is okay. Now it is, we can understand the situation. Yes, teacher can also teach from the computer. She can show many pictures and she can show, and in teaching also we are taking all the pictures or videos. If you want anything, we are showing that. Yes, computer is very useful. Next one, where we are using in offices. Why they are using in offices? To give any presentation. Yes, in office there are so many people, they are sitting. They can show what are their plans or what are their ideas, and they can show in an innovative way using computers. And they can sort a file, they can save a file, or they can save the details, whatever of the company or product, whatever they are having, they can store everything. They can type and they can receive or send the emails to others from the computer. Yes. Next we are having in banks. In banks also they are using the computer. Yes, it is very difficult when it comes to, there are so many peoples in our if I take the example of Karnataka, there are so many lakhs of people in Karnataka. To store all their details in a book or in a paper, it is very difficult. We will be having so many books in the banks. So it will be very useful when we have a computer. Yes, everything can be stored. The data, what is the customer detail, what is the bank name, or what is the bank account number, how much they have drawn the money, how much they have deposited the money. All these things can be tracked by the computer using. It will be very useful in the banks also. And if anyone so much robbery cannot happen, we cannot hold all the money, so much money in hand also. So some of them are storing in the bank, it will be very safe. So they can have all the details, proof how much they have stored or how much they are giving or how much they are taking. All these things can be stored, and immediately when they just type their account number, all the details will be displayed on the monitor screen. So it will be very useful in the banks also. Next, in supermarkets. Yes, we go to supermarkets or shops, we buy things, right? In the billing section, if we come to bill section, they are taking the product. If they are taking the product and they are scanning. When they scan, what happens? Yes, after they scan, all the details of the product, price of the product, quantity of the product, how much quality they have taken, all these things will be displayed on the monitor screen. So it will be very useful without only if the scan is enough. It takes the total, take the total amount, how much they have to pay, which product, how much they have to, all these things will be displayed on the monitor screen, and immediately they can generate a bill and give to a customer. There, that saving the time also, they are saving the writing all these things. They can store the data. If the customer is coming and asking again, they can store the data and display that you are taking this, it happened this much things, all these things. In supermarkets also they are using. Yes, in hospitals, why they are using? Yes, to take the x-rays or to store the patient details or whatever disease he is having. All these things can be stored in a computer, and they can scan also. From MRI machines also they can scan. See, doctors cannot see everything in a bare eyes or normal eyes. Yes, we have flesh in our body. Yes, we have flesh in our body as well as bones in our body. If any bones are cracked, if in my hand any bone is cracked, here I have cracked my bone, I can only feel the pain. I don't know where it has got cracked. Okay, I go to doctor, they are also in the bare eyes, they cannot see what is happening to me. So what they will do, they will take a x-ray and they can see it on a computer where exactly it is broken or where exactly it is damaged. Okay. In railway stations and airport, why they are using in railway station and airport? We can use for different languages. We travel in many places, right? We travel in many places. For different languages also we can use computer, or for booking the tickets. For booking the tickets we can take the help of computer, or to edit or to alter any. If I don't want to travel today, so I can cancel immediately with the help of computer. And we can see the departing time, arriving time in airports and all, how they are getting. In this time only the flight will come, in this time only the flight will depart. All these things can be tracked by a computer with the help of GPS, all these things. Yes, you can see the image. We can book the tickets also through the computer. In sports section, in sports, why they are using? Yes, some in the games they are playing, and if they are shouting also they cannot hear sometimes. What happens, they will display the scores on the screen. In the big screen also they will be displaying with the help of computer. Yes, they will be displaying the score. You have seen IPL match, all this cricket match and all, they will be sharing the scores, right? With the help of computer they will be displaying the scores. It is also helpful in sports sector.